Hey, what's up guys? This is Anna and you're watching Double Down. Here we talk about anything cryptocurrency related. If you guys enjoy this video, be sure to smash that subscribe button. So I know the last 3-4 days there has been much movement in the crypto market, not really crazy news that's coming out, and it has been kind of stagnant with parallel movement instead of up and downs. So today I want to go ahead and give you guys a quick update on XRP and Ripple. There has been some good news coming out saying that on March 6th, Cnbc is hosting FASTMONEY, and on FASTMONEY they will be having the CEO of Coinbase as well as the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, on there at the same time. This has caused a lot of speculation saying that is it now time that Coinbase will add XRP. Again, this is a rumor just like all the other rumors that have been in the past. Nothing is set in stone till they announce it on the 6th. However, there is some indication that, you know, it could be the time Coinbase will add XRP because they're rolling out 90 additional employees immediately, and they're also rolling out an additional couple hundred more employees coming in the next couple months. So this means that there are huge changes happening at Coinbase, and they stated themselves that, you know, everything is changing. They are adapting to the community, that they got way too much demand, and the current systems that they had could not support that. So they are rolling in a lot of new employees, changing up all the systems so they can handle the customer support better, as well as the customer service on social media and their tickets. This comes at a perfect time where the CEO of Coinbase is going on live television on CNBC's FASTMONEY with the CEO of Ripple. So that is leading to a lot of speculation that they could announce XRP going on to Coinbase. Now, like I said before, this is a rumor. However, this always sparks hype, and people always start buying into hype. That's one of the reasons that people started, you know, buying into XRP, and the volume started increasing like crazy, which resulted in the price going from 89.90 cents, which the last week and a half it was completely stagnant. Now it is at $1 and $1.02 as of making this video. So that is definitely one of the reasons that, you know, there has been a price spike and we are seeing this increase. So for the last week and a half, we haven't seen anything given so much good news that's coming out, because since the crash, there only has been positive news for Ripple and XRP. Positive, positive, positive. So with the all-time high of $3 and then it crashing back down, that was just the market. But there was no negative news for XRP since then. So again, it's only a matter of time till it goes back up. And one additional thing I do want to add, you guys don't need to bank on Coinbase. I know a lot of people say, you know, Coinbase is gonna take it back to an all-time high. Coinbase will be helpful because we need more fiat to XRP, you know, direct exchanges, which will increase the volume, in turn increase the price. However, we could still do without Coinbase and still get all-time highs. However, it will just be helpful. So I did want to make sure and put that out there. Now, last time, I also want to specify that people just bought into the hype as well, but did not really do their own research. Now, for this time, you guys have to see, you know, what are the indications, what are the evidence that's coming out. No one can really predict what's going to happen, but there's solid evidence that leads to that direction that it could happen. Again, people that want to make money, you know, they're going to basically buy the hype, sell the news. For you guys that want to buy cheap XRP under $1 or right around $1, now is a good time. You know, it could potentially take off to a new level, or, you know, higher than what you can get it for. So it's always good to go ahead and hold that. Again, as I always say, if you're going to make money, go ahead and hold on to it for a long-term investment. But for those of you that want to make quick money, news like this is some of the times that you guys could grab up. You know, like right now in 3 hours it went up 13%. You guys could sell off and then buy it again. So this is just news that's happening, and a lot of people want to know, hey, what's happening with XRP? As I go through Twitter, you know, what's going on with XRP? What's going on with XRP? It's going up. So just for those people that don't know, I just want to inform you guys, CNBC is hosting FASTMONEY, and that's one of the key factors that is increasing volume. I also want to add that mainstream advertising or outreach like that is huge, because think of how many normal people who are not in the crypto space watch CNBC. And then on top of that, CNBC Fast Money, there are a lot of investors who normally invest in just the stock market, or people that are just watching CNBC normally that do not know about XRP, Ripple, or Coinbase. So they will be introduced to cryptocurrency on CNBC's Fast Money, or first-time watchers can be like, hey, what are they talking about? They're talking about Ripple, they're talking about XRP, and they're going to go ahead and go online and Google it. So there could be additional newcomers because of this, and anytime there is an advertisement or an outreach like this that informs new people, it's always good because it brings in new customers or new investors to the crypto space. And it's not only for XRP, but it's also going to be good for any other coins on Coinbase, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin, because like I said, new people will always want to see what it is. They're curious. So if they see it on CNBC Fast Money, if they don't know about it, they will go search it up, and maybe a small percent will convert and buy to their first cryptocurrency. So that will drive volumes, which will drive the price up. Again, this is just a quick video, a small news update that I want to let you guys know about. If you guys were wondering, why the 12% increase in the last couple hours. So the CEO of Coinbase and CEO of Ripple will be on March 6th. I will put a link in the description to the where I find the information, where I got the news from, and I will put it also on the screen itself. So March 6th, CNBC Fast Money. Coinbase already announced that they're hiring several hundred new engineers to keep up with demand. So the only rumor coming out is that XRP could be on Coinbase, so that is driving up volumes, which is driving up sales. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Again, in the couple of days that we don't have exciting news about cryptocurrency, if you guys would like me to talk about something else, different topics, please go ahead and leave a comment in the description below, and I can make different videos for you guys, or new topics. So leave comments about new topics that you guys want me to talk about, and I'll do that. Thanks guys, have a good day.